I'm Jake, and today I want to share with you my daily morning routine that keeps me energized, focused, and fit all from home. First thing, I drink a full glass of water with lemon. It's a great way to kickstart the metabolism. After that, I take a few minutes for mindfulness or light meditation. Just 5 minutes of breathing helps me stay mentally strong throughout the day. Then, it's time to move. I do a dynamic warm-up. 20 jumping jacks, arm circles, leg swings, and a few high knees just to get the blood flowing. Next comes my home workout. I follow a basic full body circuit. 20 push-ups, 30 squats, 20 mountain climbers, 15 burpees, 30-second plank. And I repeat that 3 times. No equipment needed, just motivation. After the workout, I cool down with a few yoga stretches to relax my muscles and mind. Then, I take a quick shower and grab a high-protein breakfast, usually eggs, oats, and black coffee. This routine keeps me disciplined and ready to crush the day. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment your routine below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home fitness tips. See you tomorrow.